Hello, I am Dr. Esa Pagare and today we will be learning on Cost and Works Accounting Paper 1 at SY.BCom level of Savitribai Phule Pune University. First topic is Basics of Cost Accounting. We had learned the basic concept of costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy and its objectives in previous video. Today we will see the advantages and limitations of cost accounting. Regarding advantages, the first advantage is that cost accounting helps in decision making. It helps the upper level management in decision making by providing proper and valid cost data to enable the management to evaluate alternative course of action. Second, cost accounting supplies detailed cost information. As cost accounting classifies cost and revenue by dividing it into various process departments, units, etc. Third advantage is the cost accounting guides in price fixation. It assists the management in fixation of selling price both in normal and abnormal conditions. Fourth one, cost accounting increases efficiency. Cost information helps in reducing wastage, scrap and inefficiencies occurring in any form such as idle time, underutilization of plant capacity, spoilage of material, etc. Fifth one, cost accounting helps in planning. It helps the upper level management to plan for the future and make decisions. Sixth advantage, cost accounting helps in revealing capacity. Cost accounting system can easily find out the cost of idle capacity so that the management may take immediate steps to improve the position. Seventh, cost accounting helps in inventory control. Cost accounting helps in preparation of interim profit and loss account and setting of stock levels. Eighth advantage, it helps in cost control. Cost accounting helps in controlling costs with special techniques like standard costing and budgetary control. Ninth, cost accounting helps in cost reduction. It helps in introduction of cost reduction program and finding out new and improved ways to reduce cost. It is the duty of upper level management to see that the desired profit always remains higher and the total cost comes to the normal or reduction. And for that, it is necessary to introduce some new cost reduction programs and find out the alternative sources for supplies. Cost accounting helps in cost comparison. Cost accounting helps the management to make cost comparison of jobs, products, departments, sales, etc. within the same concern and also with the other concerns. It means it helps in inter-firm comparison. It also helps in checking accuracy of financial accounts. Cost accounting provides reliable check on the accuracy of financial accounts with the help of reconciliation between the two at end of accounting periods. And the most important advantage of cost accounting is it prevents frauds and manipulation. It helps in preventing frauds and manipulation through proper cost audit system. Now let's see the limitations of cost accounting. Highly paid cost accountants and the organization of costing system involves additional expenditure. Now this is the expensive system and hence it becomes the limitation of cost accounting. Second limitation, cost accounting is complex in nature. Cost accounting system involves number of steps in ascertaining the cost such as classification, allocation and apportionment of expenses, which is a complicated process. We call it as a complicated process because all these activities are to be done through professional hands. And when professional one comes in, the classification, allocation, apportionment and even reapportionment or absorption process becomes a complicated one. Limited applicability. It is also one of the limitations of cost accounting. If a wrong technique is used to ascertain the cost, then it may mislead the results of business and no management will like that its business has been disturbed due to the use of wrong technique. As we say, what is costing? It is the technique and process of ascertaining the cost But if a wrong technique is used to ascertain the cost, then it may mislead the result of a business, and that should never happen. But we see it happens most of the times, and so it is one of the limitations of cost accounting. The fourth limitation is it is not applicable to small scale industries as the system is expensive. Small scale industries cannot afford the expensive system, and so they come out of this, and it acts as a limitation for it. But medium scale industries and large scale industries, they can easily adopt the system. The fifth limitation is lack of uniformity. As all cost accounting results are only the estimates, it lacks in uniformity. As we know, no estimates can be uniform all over, and so same is here with cost accounting. Lack of accuracy. Accuracy in cost accounting is relative, so maintaining accuracy becomes most difficult. And if the accuracy is not maintained, it becomes difficult to compute the total cost and add the desired profit in it. So in today's lecture, we are learning the limitations and advantages. One more limitation is confusion regarding non-cost items. As in costing, we know that we need to know the details of cost items and non-cost items. The non-cost items, if are taken into the cost items, it will not be a true cost sheet, and hence there becomes a confusion regarding non-cost items while ascertaining the costs. Cost accounting fails in considering social obligation. Cost accounting never considers the social things. It fails to take into account the social obligations of the business, and that is the limitation of cost accounting. Cost accounting is not useful for handling futuristic conditions. Cost accounting deals with the cost incurred, hence it is not useful for the futuristic conditions. It becomes a historical cost. It is the current cost, but it cannot be the futuristic cost. The last limitation, cost accounting is a failure. In many cases, it is argued that the adoption of costing system fails to produce the desired results in many cases, so it is defective. But a proper cost accountant, a proper system of accounting, proper system of technique, proper process, they can all overcome all these limitations of cost accounting, but one has to agree that as it is the expensive, it won't be afforded by the small scale industry. So these were the advantages and limitations of cost accounting. Thank you.